Alright, got her set. Got it kind of aligned back here. I got one bolt in here, one bolt on the other side over there. Got the ducts cut out. Back in there. Where it's dark, you can't see, just seen that. Oh well. And the sway bar here. You can see where it comes real close there. What I'm figuring is to notch it back here. This is where the original one came through. But I can notch it, yeah, it's easier to show here. Notch it here, up and around, and then let the nose come down that much farther. I think that's about all I'm going to need. I hope that's all I'm going to need. If not, I'll still have a good 90 in there. It'll support it, kinda, sorta, I hope. And if it has to come down too much more than that, I can run it through this hole here. I won't know until I get everything set. Right now I got the jack set on the front there. You can kind of see back there on the fenders. Just kind of, everything's in mock-up. Get the light turned here. There we go. The steering box. Got pretty good room there. I think I'll be alright. All the way up and around. Good clearance on the control arms there. I think I'll be alright. That nose, she's got quite a ways to come down. So, I'll get in there and I'll chop that up. See where it ends. If it doesn't, then I'll pull that sway bar and put it on the top side so it'll clear up through the grill. And then I really don't want to mess with this core support just yet because it kind of is what holds this whole front end together, and I've already cut a whole bunch of it out, so we'll see.